give me your hand. Let me hold you. Okay.
Okay.
Whoa, what's this? It's on the iPad. On the iPad. Thank you, mommy. Thank you, daddy.
You're welcome.
And this is the thing for it. The
You
stand.
Open.
everything.
Right. Open. Chemika, what are you having on your head?
Wow. This is so cool.
And what's that?
I think this is the thing for the iPad.
Wow, white. You have keyboard that you can attach it.
You have keyboard as well.
Look at that. So you can put it with keyboard.
Where's the back?
You can. Oh, you're already setting it up. You can put it with the.
Munachimso, I'll say off for you, okay?
Yes. And you have the. I think I'm saying sleeping. Let me put her down.
Yeah.
Let me help you, Mama. So, this is a lot.
This is the other part.
Where's the back? Yeah, that's for the back.
Inside the bag. You don't have to put it.
Is it magnets?
Yes,
Sticky.
it's
Oh, wow.
magnet, yeah.
Oh. This is so cool.
Wow, this is so cool.
Oh, baby.
Yes.
This thing now, if she doesn't want to use it with this,
Yeah, you can remove it.
then where is the cover?
This is the
What?
cover.
Okay, yeah. Won't it break easily? You know how they are. One of this, you need to be careful with this. Though. This is not like the old one we had.
Yeah.
The old one you had, you know, they have like a protection at the front, something like this. So you need to be very careful. Don't break it too.
I think you have to buy the cover.
Right?
Yeah.
You need to buy the cover.
But if you buy the cover, I don't know whether
You'll be able to use
I don't know whether this will work
Mm.
with that.
You need to be very extremely careful. Don't leave it for chemical. English. United Kingdom. Daddy will set this up for you. Yes, such a language. So cool.